So if statements were the single alternative or single decision statements, then the if-else statement would be your multi-decision statement alternative. In other words, you would have an if statement occur and do something, and if it was false, instead of just skipping the entire decision and moving on with the program, it was still going to do something else before it continues. So there's always this mentality of do this or do that before you continue, and that's the benefit of using an if-else statement. So an if-else statement has two possible outcomes. Either this is going to happen or that is going to happen. But there will be an outcome or a decision based on the Boolean expression being true or false. So going back to our show ID flow or chart example, if I go to a bar and I show my ID, the Boolean expression that will occur if is age greater than 21, if true, whoops, I forgot to put true here, then you go to the bar. If false, then you go home sad. And then after that decision happens, maybe later on in the code, something else will happen because either maybe going to the bar or maybe going home sad. But there will at least be an outcome based on the outcome. They'll either be if true or else false. And so this is what the code might be as a good example. If age is greater than 21, and this is true, then it'll print happy drinks and have fun. Else, sorry you aren't old enough. But again, one of these two outcomes will occur before the program will continue. It will handle the decision before it continues with the program by either printing whatever in the if statement or whatever is in the else section of what's inside the if statement. So it's a little bit different than the if statement in terms as the if will just do one decision, and if it is true, it'll do whatever inside the if statement. It will do whatever inside it, and if it's false, it will just ignore and go on with the program. So it's a little bit different. It makes your program a little bit more versatile if you are able to make it an if-else statement. If you need to provide an alternative for your program, and it gives you more options and becomes more robust.